Welcome to this tutorial on how to add labels in Ignitec.in and how to use them effectively to improve your course content. Labels are a useful tool in Ignitec.in, allowing you to add headings, instructions, images, and links to your course materials. To get started, log into your Ignitec.in course and navigate to the section where you want to add a label. Click the Edit button to enter editing mode, and then click on the Add an Activity or Resource link. From the list of activity types, select Label and click on the Add button. You'll be taken to the label creation page, where you can give your label a name, add text or an image, and customize its appearance. Once you've created your label, you can use it to improve the organization and navigation of your course materials. For example, you can use labels to create section headings, provide instructions for assignments, or link to external resources. Labels are also useful for improving the accessibility of your course materials. By adding alt text to images, you can ensure that visually impaired learners can still access the content. And by using headings and subheadings, you can make it easier for all learners to navigate your materials. To edit or delete a label, simply click on the Edit or Delete button next to the label in editing mode. You can also move a label to a different section by clicking and dragging it to the desired location. In summary, labels are a versatile tool in Ignitec.in that can help you improve the organization, navigation, and accessibility of your course materials. So why not give them a try in your next course? That's it for this tutorial on how to add labels in Ignitec.in and their uses. We hope you found this tutorial helpful, and if you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Thanks for watching and happy teaching.